if you take things for granted, then the things granted to you will be taken back. Well, what I'm trying to convey is that be faithful and truthful to your teeth, and they will never fake or false you. Well, today the Medibis TV camera crew is at the premises of Dr. Roze Associates Dental Clinic, and I am in conversation with their maestro, Dr. David Roze. Hello and welcome to the show.
Bonjour, Monsieur Gide. Welcome Medibis TV, and welcome to Dr. Roze Associates.
Well, doctor, tell us something about yourself and your clinic as well.
My name is David Roze. I'm a French dentist, and we arrived here in Dubai in 2003. And then, since then, we have worked as a dentist in Dubai, coming from France.
Now we need to ask you about your clinic. Yeah.
So we opened Dr. Roze and Associates in 2013, and with different colleagues, we try to provide all in one house all the dental needs that any kind of patient would need.
Well, tell us something more about your clinic.
So we opened Dr. Roze and Associates Dental Clinic in 2003, in January 2013. We are located in Dubai, in Jumeirah, and we wanted, first, our mission was to try to solve all the dental needs under one house, and that's what we did.
One-stop shop, you meant to say.
We try, yeah, one-stop shop.
Well, I've interviewed more than 350 personalities in my show, but in this show, we're going to take a different twist, a different turn. Instead of the anchor asking questions to the doctor is going to ask questions to the anchor. Let's see how it goes, and based on my answers, he is going to prolong the interview and give you answers to the questions which I put forward and he put forward. I'm good to go, doctor.
So the first question I would like to ask you is, tell me, what's your perception, what's your feeling about dentists and dentistry in general, and especially here in Dubai? What's your feeling?
In this part of the world?
Correct.
Well, for a layman like me, if I get a toothache, I would like to come to a dentist. Or if I'd like to clean my tooth, I'd like to come to a dentist. Whiten my tooth, I'd like to come to a dentist.
I understand, but what I mean is, when you go to the dentist, do you have any fear?
I do.
What's your perception? Do you feel that the dentist will help you, or you don't like to go to the dentist? Most of the people, they say that, they answer that. They don't like to go to the dentist because, first of all, it's painful.
Yes.
It's scary. Sometimes it's expensive. You know, all this kind of feeling that you have of dentist and dentistry. I
do have. I am scared to go to a dentist. I feel that it's going to be a painful affair, and it's going to be a costly affair in this part of the world, because even if you have an insurance, some insurance companies don't give us money to go to a dentist. There are so many issues that come across my mind when I think of going to a dentist.
Correct. And then I had the same issue in my mind before we started Dr. Roze and Associates. And the point is, we wanted to create something, we wanted to create a location where you don't have this kind of feeling anymore, where you switch the way you see and you look at dentistry. That was the purpose of building Dr. Roze and Associates. And all the team members that are working with us, our colleagues, they're all passionate about that, changing the way you see dentistry. Now, can I ask you something? I would like you to close your eyes, and I would like you to take a deep breath, and I would like to explain you something.
Okay, shall I?
Yes, please. Okay, Sijit. Now, continue to close your eyes and imagine. Try to visualize that you're driving your car.
Okay.
Nice car, it's a nice weather, you have plant trees everywhere, everything is fine. You relax, and then you go to the 5-star hotel. You drive past the gate and stop the car. Now, you have a very nice valet parking that opens your door, and with a big smile showing his white pearly teeth, welcome you with a nice smile. Welcome, Mr. Jit. And then it takes your luggage, you go to the gate, and it guides you to the reception. There, you have 2 nice ladies that call you by your name and welcome you with a nice bonjour in the hotel. And then you completely relax, you feel the smell of rose, and you like the nice music that make you feel very relaxed and very easy. You feel like you're at home. And then you will go to a nice room where a nice girl will take care of your teeth. She will basically clean, shape, or whiten your teeth. No pain. You will be in a relaxed atmosphere. You will be watching your favorite movie. You will be listening to headphones that calm you, that relax you, and you like it, basically. It's a different atmosphere. You like it.
Yes.
And the whole trip in this hotel, is in this 5-star hotel, you enjoy the journey.
Yes.
That's the point of it. And it will be worth it. You will not question how much, if it's expensive or not. We will take care, first of all, of all the papers. So you will not have to get all these hassles with all the papers. We will help you to get the most out of it. But most of it, you will feel like it's worth it. You will feel like you had a nice experience and you don't mind coming back. And because you don't mind coming back to the dentist or to this new way of treating people, you will go for preventive dentistry, where it's not expensive, you don't have a lot of treatment, and you see regularly the dentist. It's a completely different way of seeing dentists and dentistry. And that's what we want to do at Dr. Roze Associates. We want you to change the way you see dentists and dentistry.
Well, how is Dr. Roze Associates Dental Clinic different from others? Or in fact, for a normal person like me, whenever I think of going to a dentist or a dentist clinic, I feel scared, I'm afraid because of cost factors. Will it pain me? Or what are the other modalities that is going to take place in the clinic? There are so many questions that run across my mind. So my question to you is, how different are you from others in terms of treatment? Well, when a patient walks into your clinic, what is the perseverance that he should have, or the notion that he should have? Does he come here for a one-stop shop? One stand and one umbrella? It's like going to a hypermarket, isn't it? You get everything there. So what is the notion that a patient should have when he steps into Dr. Roze Dental Clinic?
You see, I know that the patients, when they come to the dental clinic, they all have their own questions, they all have their own demand. So basically at Dr. Roze Associates, we try to, and we spare no cost for that, to help the patients to the most we can. And it's already sometimes quite complicated to come to the dentist, so we try to help them and feel more comfortable over there by having all the dental specialties to help them and treat them the best we can with the new technology, with advanced techniques. But we try, even if we have that, we try to hide that in a way to welcome them and to make them at ease. Because it's very important. I think it's very important, the contact, the relation, the human relation that you have with your dentist. And even if we spare no cost at all advanced technology, the human relationship that we have with our patients, that we call actually our guests, is no limit. And I would say it's not about how many dentists we have. It's not about having 5, 10, 15 dentists that makes us successful. What makes us, and I believe so, successful is the time that we'll spend with all and each patient, the time we'll try to understand their need deeply and not what we want to sell them, and how we will show them another journey in the dental world.
So when they step in, they feel as if they are at home, the so-called family atmosphere, you mean to say?
Exactly. And whatever treatment we have, we try to explain, we try to show them the benefit and inconvenience, and it's up to them to decide what they want to do.
Well, Doctor, now I'd like to ask you about your team of doctors, your equipments, and so on, in terms of the clinic.
Okay, if you allow me, I would like to answer your questions by giving you some example.
Brilliant, that should be good.
For example, we have Dr. Hubert. He's a young French dentist, well aware of all this new technology new dentistry. Imagine now that you have a broken tooth and you need to repair this tooth. You're already in a certain frustration and maybe on some pain. So what we try to do at Dr. Roze Associates is to solve the problem. You will see Dr. Hubert, for example, and he will save your tooth, will treat your tooth with a 3D printer. This 3D printer will take a picture basically of your tooth.
The broken tooth?
The broken tooth. And then we will send all the data into a computer. That's a 3D printer. We will mill the new tooth. And we have also Johan, our technician, who will design this tooth the best way possible. And with the help of everyone, because it takes usually 1 hour to do that, you will have to wait in the waiting room while doing the preparation of this tooth. I'm sure that you will have our valet or our receptionist serving you a nice coffee or nice teacup. All these kind of things will help you to rebuild your smile, and you will live satisfied and happy.
Doctor, my next question is a big doubt. It's a doubt.
Okay.
If you travel from one corner to the other corner in Dubai, Jumeirah Road, you can see huge boards which say Smile Studio, Smile Therapy, Smile Correction, Hollywood Smile. I don't know, there are so many names which come across my mind. I want you to comment on these marketing terms which we see everywhere in every nook and corner.
You're absolutely right. These are marketing terms. At Dr. Roze Associates, we try to individualize our treatment, to personalize our treatment. So basically, we try to answer your personal need. Whenever you come from Europe, Asia, America, you don't have the same concept of what is a nice smile or good smile or healthy smile. So we try first to understand your need, to understand you as a human being, then we can answer you as a treatment.
Doctor, you've given me a falcon's eye view of the entire clinic and so on. Now I need the broader perspective, the 70 mm perspective of your clinic.
Exactly, Srijit. You've seen probably when you walk through the clinic, the nice ambience, the atmosphere, and we pride ourselves when we take someone on board to have the same kind of spirit, same kind of like-minded people. It's very important for us to share the same vision, same values, to have the same core build-up together. And we have actually developed a book, this book, which explains who we are, what we are doing, and basically it's important that the people that join the team feel that we are a family-oriented clinic. For example, when we hire a dentist, we don't hire just one more dentist. We need to hire someone that makes sense for the benefit of the patients. Let me give you an example. We just have another doctor on board. His name is Dr. Benoit. He's a worldwide known maxillofacial. We don't hire him because he's worldwide known. We hire him because it makes sense for the benefit of Dubai patients. I've been working here 13 years, and unfortunately, I didn't find any maxillofacial who can do orthodontic surgeries. He can do that. And that will benefit the whole community. And that's why we take him on board. Of course, he shares our values. He shares the way we treat people and we treat patients. But that will be a great asset for the whole community. That's the benefit of it. And that's why we've done it.
Well, Doctor, tell us something about your expansion plans which you have done recently.
Well, this year we have just expanded our pediatric department, and we have the chance to have Dr. Agnès, our pediatric specialist. She is the one that has the most patience with little ones that I haven't seen. And it's a great chance for us to have her on board and treating all these little ones, small ones who have the need, especially in Dubai. We know that there is a need and lots of diabetes. People doesn't know always what to eat, when to eat, how many snacks per day, how many times do you need to brush your teeth. And we have the chance that Dr. Agnès, with the help of our oral hygiene team, with our 3 hygienists, Kate, Walla, and Victoria, we educate our little ones. We try to give them the right bases the right rules so that they can develop their good oral hygiene all over their life.
Well, Dubai is a very competitive market when you talk about the portfolio of dentistry or dentists. So how do you substantiate working in this competitive world? Or do you collaborate with the other clinics, or you are on your own?
We have the chance at Dr. Roze Associates to work closely with different other dental clinics from Dubai and Abu Dhabi. Basically, they refer us some difficult case or specialist cases for maxillofacial, orthodontist, oral surgery, wisdom teeth, implantology, endodontics. And by sharing the patients, we try to build up a network, we try to help each other, and it goes both ways. And to improve the links that we can have with other dental clinics, every month we have dental seminars where other colleagues from other dental clinics comes, we share our knowledge, we discuss cases, we try to benefit each other from each knowledge. And that's very, very relevant for the dental and the dental community, basically.
Doctor, do you indulge in corporate social responsibility campaigns? Do you?
Of course, of course. It's part of a job, I would say. When you're a doctor, you need to answer the dental health problems. And as you know, in Dubai, you have lots of people who cannot afford to have dental treatment. At Dr. Roze Associates, since the very beginning, we have decided to open our clinic, our doors, for those people. So we screen them to make sure that these people earn less than 3,000 dirham a month, and we treat them. All our doctors, all our staff, lab technician, everyone takes these people on board. We treat them as it were normal patients. We offer them all kind of treatment, and we answer the need every week, 2 hours per week, to make sure that we help these people. And our goal is, imagine that if every dental clinics open their doors one afternoon, few hours a week for these people, that would decrease substantially the need for dental treatment for all over the place.
Affordable dental treatment.
Oral health. I would like to say the importance of the young generation, the young people, the teenager and the children, to have a good oral health, but also not to eat so much snacks or fizzy drinks. I think what is important is not to stop eating chocolates or drinks or sweets. What is important is not to eat sugar and fizzy drinks more than 3 times a day, because it's when you multiply the take that give you the cavities and all the problem that you can have with your teeth. So what is important is education. And when you have taken the right habit, when we have changed the way you take your diet and take care of your teeth, then it's a win-win for all your life, basically. And we really think that by educating the people, we will help them coming from restorative dentistry to preventive dentistry. Preventive dentistry is the key to have a successful life and a healthy smile. So I would like just to help you and welcome you at Dr. Roze Associates. Make sure that we will always be here for you and try to help you understand what are your needs and how we can help you with your smile. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Doctor, for being in the show, and we look forward to see you into greater heights the next time we see you. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much for coming here today.